SOLIDWORKS 2021 introduces many enhancements to extend the already robust capabilities when working with parts. In this video, we're going to take a look at some enhancements regarding 3MF support in SOLIDWORKS. In SOLIDWORKS 2021, support for export and import of 3MF files gets even better. When saving your SOLIDWORKS file in 3MF file, you can go to the options and see all the available options that can be applied when exporting your files. Here, I'm going to choose the two new options, include materials and include appearances. Now I'm going to close this window and open the 3MF file that has been created. As you can see, now in SOLIDWORKS 2021, color, textures, and transparency are supported on export. This information is stored in the 3MF file to be used for manufacturing or other applications. Whenever you're ready to print out your model, just go to File, Print 3D. And from here, you can select any of the 3D printer model that's available from the list that has been provided in the SOLIDWORKS 3D printer library. Here, I am going to use my favorite 3D printer, Stratasys F170. Once I select it, the model becomes available from the favorite printer list, making it easy to be selected every time I'm printing my model. Under the print bed location, you can select a face to define the bottom plane of the model, and you may change the orientation of the model as well, like so. In addition to that, you can also scale up or down your model as necessary. That's it, your model is now ready to be 3D printed.